In this video, I will show you how to download and install TikTok on your Hisense Smart TV. Now, over here is my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, and to install TikTok app on our Hisense Smart TV, we're going to be using the browser to download and install the app. So basically, you want to go ahead and open up the Hisense browser on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. You can simply open it if you have the browser button on your remote control, but if you don't, you just want to scroll down to this list of apps over here, and then you want to scroll horizontally until you get to more apps over here. Click on it, and in this place you're going to see the browser app over here. So just go ahead and open up the Hisense Vidaa browser, and once you're brought to this page, you just want to scroll over to this input field at the top over here. So just scroll over to the top and then get to this input field over here, and then you want to go ahead and search for TikTok. So just go ahead and type TikTok over there and then click on the enter button, and now you'll be taken to the Google search results where you can actually see the official TikTok website. Now what you just want to do is to use your remote control and then just go ahead and select tiktok.com over here, and now you'll be taken to the official TikTok web app. Now this is just going to take a minute or two for the TikTok app to fully load on your Hisense Smart TV. If you have a TikTok account, you can simply just scroll to the login icon at the top over here. So just scroll over to this login icon over here, and then you want to go ahead and log in with your TikTok account over here. So just click on it and you should be able to log into your TikTok account directly from here. The next thing to do is to go ahead and install the TikTok web app into our Hisense Smart TV. And to do that, what you just want to do is to scroll over to the top of the browser just like so. And at this point, you just want to scroll over to this star icon at the top over here. So just scroll horizontally until you get to this star icon, and then you just want to go ahead and click on add to bookmark. And once it has been added to bookmark, you also want to scroll over like so, and then go ahead and click on add to home icon over here. Now this will automatically add the TikTok web app into the home of our Hisense Smart TV. So over here, what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on add, and automatically the TikTok web app has been added and installed into our Hisense Smart TV. And at this point, if you come over to the home of our Hisense Smart TV and then just scroll over to this list of apps over here, you're going to find that the shortcut has been added into the list of apps. Now this shortcut actually contains all of the web apps that are actually installed into our Hisense Smart TV. So in order to open TikTok at any time and at any point, you just want to scroll over to the top, click on TikTok, and automatically the TikTok web app will be launched on the browser of your Hisense Smart TV. So basically, that is how to install TikTok on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.